In this video, you are going to practice English conversation. This will help you improve your speaking and listening skills and give you a better understanding of how native speakers speak. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. What about you?
No complaints. What's your name?
I'm Tom Miller. And you?
I'm Rose Williams. Where are you from?
I'm from the Brazil. And you?
I'm from here, Australia. What are you doing here in Sydney?
I'm here as a tourist. And you?
That's great. I work here. I'm an English teacher.
How long have you been working as a teacher?
I've been working for 5 years now.
Tell me more about Sydney.
Well, it's a vibrant city, very diverse and beautiful.
I can see that. It's beautiful and peaceful.
Yes, and the weather is great. All right, how old are you?
I'm 36 years old. And you?
I'm 26. Are you married?
Yes, I am. And you?
Not yet, I'm single right now.
Are you planning on getting married anytime soon?
Yes, I will do that in my 30s. Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. And you?
I have one sister too. Her name is Elisa.
Okay, my sister's name is Lima. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, French and English. And you?
I speak 7 languages.
Wow, that's a lot. What are they?
It's English, Spanish, Arabic, French, Mandarin, Korean, and German.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
How did you learn them?
I learned basic words and expressions used in conversations.
You don't start with the grammar?
Not really. I learned the grammar later when I have time.
So how do you learn the rules of a language?
I learned them from the expressions that I learn, and I do a lot of listening and reading.
And by doing so, you learn quickly.
Yes, a lot quicker. I learned French within 2 months with this method.
Fantastic. What do you like listening to the most?
First, I start with listen and repeat videos. Then I listen to podcasts and watch lots of documentaries.
What's the purpose of doing this?
The purpose is to get good pronunciation and understand the natives talking.
What type of podcast do you listen to?
It varies from business, history, storytelling, and self-improvement podcasts.
How long does it take you to become fluent?
It generally takes me from 6 to 9 months to become fluent.
What keeps you motivated even when the language is so difficult, like Arabic?
The passion for learning new languages and patience keep me motivated.
How often do you learn a language in a week?
Every day. It only takes me 3 hours daily. How many countries have you visited so far?
I've visited 10 countries so far. And you?
I've never traveled outside Australia. This may change in the future.
I encourage you to travel. It changes your perception of the world.
Oh, really?
Yes, I went to Africa, and I was impressed by the beauty of the countries I visited.
Which countries impressed you the most?
Algeria, South Africa, and Kenya.
Are you planning more travels to Africa?
Yes, I want to visit more African and Asian countries too.
Is this your first time coming to Australia?
Yes, it's my first time.
I'm sure you will love this place.
Sure, I will.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks, and I wish you a pleasant stay here. Goodbye.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click on one of these videos to watch more.